everyone, today's lesson is lesson 36, adding 10 to a multiple of 10 and finding missing numbers on a piece of the hundreds chart. So here I have my numbers chart, and let's find the number 20. The number 20 is right here, okay? What number is 10 more than 20? Well, I know that 10 more than 20 is 30 because it's right below the 20. What's 10 more than 30? Well, that would be 40. 10 more than 40? That's 50. Okay. Now what is 10 more than 70? So I need to find 70 and find 10 more would be 80. Now I can write 20 and 10 more like this. 20 plus 10. I can also write it as 20 plus 10. Okay. So remember, 20 plus 10 equals 30. Okay. All right. So let's find 40 plus 10. Well, if we look at my numbers chart and I find 40, 40 plus 10 is 50. So I would write that equals 50. Okay. All right, so what's 30 plus 10? Well, 30 plus 10, if we look back our chart, we go 30 plus 10 is 40. Okay. If you notice, when I add 10, I'm going up. I'm taking first number and I'm going up by one more in the tens place. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and then it's 40. Okay, what about 10 plus 60? Well, I find, in this case, I'm going to find 10. There's two ways I can do it. I can find 10 and then go up 60 times, but it'll be easier to find 60 and go up just one more time to 70. Okay, so that equals 70. All right, 80 plus 10 is going to be 90. Okay, because I know 90 is right below 80 on my chart, 80 and 90. And 10 plus 50 will be 60. All right, so here I have a blank hundreds chart, and I have the number 36 here. What number is just above 36? Well, if I look back, 36, the number above it is 26. And the number below it is 46. And then the number to the left is 35, because it's one less. And the number to the right is 37, because it's one more. Okay, so we still have some missing numbers here. So I can think, okay, well, what is one spot above 35? Well, I know that one spot above 35 is 25. Okay, and one spot below 35 is 45. And I can double check on my chart. Here's 35, above it is 25, and below it is 45. Okay, what about 37? So above 37 should be 27, and below should be 47. And I can double check that again. Here's 37, above is 20, below is 47. Okay, so let's do another one. So all of the missing numbers here are missing except for one. So let's find the numbers. So I know 43, if I go to the left, I get smaller. So it would be 42, and then left of that would be 41. To the right of 43, I would have 44. Now I know when I have the numbers above and below, the number that changes is the first number. The second number stays the same. So I'm going to have something with a 4. Well, the number that comes before 44 would be 34, because 3 comes before 4. And then 4, and then after 4, it would be 54. Okay? For 43, the number before it would be 33, and then 53 would come after. For 42, I would have 32 and 52. And then 41 would be 31 and 51. And then I can always go back and look at my chart to make sure that I have all my numbers correct, which it looks like that I do. Okay, So when we move from to the top to bottom in a row, it's 10 more than the number above it. Okay? It's another thing that we see. All right, so that's how we find missing numbers on our chart, or that's how we add up multiples of 10. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.